When it comes to boosting your home's value in Dallas, many homeowners often focus on large renovations or expensive upgrades. However, one of the most effective, yet often overlooked, ways to enhance your property's appeal and market value is through window replacement. Replacing old, outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient models can offer a wealth of benefits, from improving your home's curb appeal to increasing energy savings. If you're thinking about selling or simply looking to improve your home, here's how window replacement can increase your home's value in Dallas. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially when it comes to selling your home. The windows on your home are one of the first things potential buyers will notice, and old, worn-out windows can make your property look outdated or poorly maintained. By replacing your windows, you give your home a fresh, modern appearance that enhances curb appeal and helps it stand out from other properties in the neighborhood. In Dallas, where the weather can range from hot summers to chilly winters, windows play an essential role in defining the overall aesthetic and functionality of a home. New windows can dramatically improve the exterior appearance of your home, complementing your architectural style, and creating a more polished, inviting look. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary windows or a more classic style, updated windows can give your home a refreshed, stylish edge. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons to replace your windows is to improve energy efficiency, a factor that can significantly increase your home's value. Dallas residents know just how intense the summer heat can be, and high temperatures can lead to higher cooling costs. Poorly insulated windows can be a major culprit in energy loss, letting cool air escape in the summer and warmth escape during the winter months. Modern, energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home's temperature regulated, helping to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Many newer windows come with advanced glazing technologies, such as low-E coatings, which reflect heat while allowing natural light to shine through. Additionally, double or triple pane windows provide enhanced insulation, further reducing the strain on your HVAC system. By investing in window replacement, you not only enjoy more comfort in your home but also offer a future buyer the benefit of reduced energy costs. Increased home security. Safety is always a top concern for homeowners, and windows play a crucial role in securing your home. Outdated or damaged windows may not provide the protection you need, and they can be easier to break into. Newer windows come equipped with stronger materials, modern locking mechanisms, and advanced security features that can provide an extra layer of protection for your family. By upgrading to high-quality windows, you're not only improving your home's energy efficiency and appearance but also adding to its security. For homebuyers, a home that offers both aesthetic appeal and a sense of security can be very attractive. For homeowners who plan to stay in their property for years to come, investing in secure windows ensures peace of mind for their family. Reduced maintenance and increased durability. Older windows can require a lot of maintenance, from dealing with worn-out seals to scraping and painting wooden frames. This can be time-consuming and costly, especially in a climate like Dallas, where the intense heat can cause wear and tear on window materials. New windows, especially those made from vinyl or fiberglass, require far less upkeep. These materials are resistant to the elements, including the high humidity and heat that can be prevalent in Dallas. By replacing your windows with low-maintenance, durable options, you're not only saving yourself time and effort, but you're also making your home more appealing to potential buyers. When buyers see that they won't have to worry about window maintenance or repairs for years to come, it increases the perceived value of your home. Return on investment. When considering home improvement projects, it's essential to look at the return on investment, ROI. Window replacement can provide an excellent ROI, especially in a market like Dallas. According to various home improvement studies, replacing windows typically offers one of the highest returns compared to other home renovations. By improving the overall appearance, energy efficiency, and security of your home, you're not only adding value to your living space but also enhancing its resale potential. In a competitive housing market, buyers are often looking for homes that offer both comfort and low future maintenance. Energy-efficient windows, modern aesthetics, and the added security that comes with newer windows are all attractive selling points that can make your home stand out. Conclusion. Replacing the windows in your Dallas home is a smart investment that can deliver numerous benefits. From boosting curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and reducing maintenance, new windows have the potential to increase your home's value in a meaningful way. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to make improvements for your own enjoyment, investing in window replacement is a decision that will pay off in the long run.